we think of Hanukkah, we think of all the fun and excitement, the game of dreidel, the yummy foods, and of course, endless amounts of sufganiyot. But the truth is, there's another part to the Hanukkah story. The part where Bnei Yisrael were proud to follow the way of Hashem, even in the face of adversity and challenge.
Some nights I see only darkness all around me. Some nights I fear till the dawn. 8 nights I light the Hanukkah menorah. 8 lights to burn on and on. But I still wake up, wanna hear your voice. Oh Lord, I'm still not sure what I stand for. Oh, what do I stand for? What do I stand for? 8 nights of Road, then I know.
In this cemetery, the cemetery of the Arizal, are very special kvarim, burial places of Chana v'Shiva Baneha from the Hanukkah story. One of the most horrific stories during the time period of Hanukkah is the story of Chana and her 7 sons. Chana was a mother of 7 children, and in the time of King Antiochus believed himself to be a god, an idol, and he made an idol of himself. And he challenged each of Chana's 7 sons to bow down to the idol and accept that as their god instead of Hashem. And each of Chana's 7 sons refused, being proud of our own personal heritage, being proud to declare Hashem as our king, crying out, Shema Yisrael, Hashem Elokeinu, Hashem Echad. Listen, Yisrael, Hashem is our God, Hashem is one. And then ending their lives in whatever way was meant for them. By the youngest child, Antiochus, so fed up with the fact that the belief of HaKadosh Baruch Hu was so deep in these children, figured that he would outsmart this child simply by dropping something on the floor in front of the idol and saying to the child, you don't have to do anything, just pick up my ring for me. And the young child said, absolutely not. If I pick up your ring, that's going to be bowing down to the idol. And he too gave up his life. Upon seeing this, Chana was so proud of her children for not giving up on our beliefs, for accepting with full love the greatness of the name of HaKadosh Baruch Hu. Chana herself gave up her own life because of the pride in her children's giving up of their lives. We're sitting in the kever of Chana v'Shiva Baneha. 7 children who understood the pasuk of Ahavta es Hashem Elokecha b'chol levavecha b'chol nafshecha b'chol ma'odecha. Understood. It's only worth living if you know it's worth dying for. It's Erev Chanukah, and it's a time to think about our pride in believing in Hashem and following the way of the Torah. It's always worth a reminder of what are we willing to put ourselves on the line for. Kavod for Hashem Yisbarach.
לא אל תדאגי ילדה, הכל יהיה בסדר. תפילותייך מתקבלות שם במרומים. אלוקים לא משאיר לכאן דמעותיה של בת מלך שבוקעות את כל